myautostore, quality recycled OEM auto parts.
We at EMR are very proud to be part of revitalization in Camden. Our facilities offer local opportunities to learn on the job, develop skills, and provide long-term growth and career development. By the summer of 2019, EMR will have invested over $225 million into the city of Camden and will employ over 400 employees. We're doing something that I think is unique and revolutionary. Eliminates environmental impact and really provides, a lesser impact for the neighborhoods. At full dismantling, our capacity will reach over 100,000 vehicles in a year. We'll be able to redeploy over 1 million parts and over 175,000 tons of steel will be recycled. myautostore will offer growth opportunities and employment opportunities for training of individuals with various skill sets ranging from dismantlers, website developers, programmers, accountants, office clerks, salespersons, equipment operators, electricians, and of course mechanics. Our goal is to make myautostore a household name for engines, transmissions, body parts, and various other automotive components at a high quality for both cars, SUVs, trucks.
Myautostore, quality recycled OEM auto parts.